Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will see certain confusing questions on agriculture. It will be helpful for your exam preparation such as IBPS AFO, ICAR JRF, NABARD, NSC and other PG entrances. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. Question number 1. According to CRIDA, the depth in centimeter for medium deep ploughing is? Answer is option C, 15 to 20 centimeter. According to CRIDA, the depth in centimeter for medium deep ploughing is 15 to 20 centimeter. In the case of deep tillage, the ploughing depth is 25 to 30 centimeter. In the case of medium deep tillage, the ploughing depth is 15 to 20 centimeter. And in the case of shallow tillage, the ploughing depth is 5 to 6 centimeter. Question number 2. The major irrigation projects are those projects which are covering dash hectare of command area. Answer is option A, greater than 10,000. The major irrigation projects are those projects which are covering more than 10,000 hectare of command area. Medium irrigation projects covers a command area of 2,000 to 10,000 hectare and minor irrigation projects covers command area less than 2,000 hectare. Question number 3. F2 phenotypic ratio in the case of duplicate gene action will be? Answer is option D, 15:1. F2 phenotypic ratio in the case of duplicate gene action is 15:1. In the case of complementary gene action, the F2 genotypic ratio is 9:1. In the case of inhibitory gene action, it is 13:3. In the case of duplicate gene action, it is 15:1. And in the case of supplementary gene action, it is 9:3:4. Question number 4. Lines connecting points of similar seasonal phenomena is called dash. Answer is option B, isophene. Lines connecting points of similar seasonal phenomenon is known as isophene. Lines connecting points of equal sunshine hours is isohells. Lines connecting points of constant moisture content is isosteer. Lines connecting points of equal wind velocity is isotech. Lines connecting points of equal depth of rainfall is isopluvial. And lines connecting points of equal water table elevation is called isobath. Next question. Question number 5. Scientific name of Proso millet is? Answer is option D, Panicum millesium. The scientific name of Proso millet is Panicum millesium. The scientific name of finger millet is Eleusine coracanna. Scientific name of Kodo millet is Pulsipalum scrobiculatum. Scientific name of barnyard millet is Echinoclova frumentaceae. And scientific name of foxtail millet is Setaria italica. Question number 6. Bulk density of normal soil is? Answer is option B, 1.3 megagram per centimeter cube. But the bulk density of normal soil is 1.3 megagram per centimeter cube. The particle density of normal soil is 2.6 megagram per centimeter cube. Question number 9. Pineapple is a variety of? Answer is option B, sweet orange. Pineapple is a variety of sweet orange. Pink banana is a variety of winter squash. Winter banana is a variety of pineapple. And Behat coconut is a variety of guava. Question number 8. Which of the following is a total stem parasite? Answer is option D, Cuscuta. An example of total stem parasite is Cuscuta. Loranthus is a partial stem parasite and its host plant include plantation crops, fruit crops and timber crops. Cuscuta is a total stem parasite and its host plant includes pulses, soybean, lucerne, carrot, chili, Niger, fennel, etc. Orobranche belongs to the category of total root parasite and its host plant includes tobacco, tomato, potato, mustard, sunflower, etc. Striga is an example for partial root parasite and its host plant includes sorghum, sugarcane, millets, maize, rice, etc. Question number 9. Pusa harith is a variety of. Answer is option D, spinach. Pusa harith is a variety of spinach. Harith is a variety of bottle gourd. Pusa harith is a variety of spinach and Arka harith is a variety of bitter gourd. Next question. Question number 10. Protein content in soybean is dash percentage. Answer is option A, 40 to 42%. The protein content in soybean is 40 to 42%. The oil content in soybean is 20%. Protein content in groundnut is 26% and oil content in groundnut is 45%. Next question. Question number 11. Process of entry of water into the soil is called dash. Answer is option D, infiltration. The process of entry of water into the soil is called infiltration. Downward movement of nutrients with water from the root zone is called leaching. Downward movement of water through the soil is called percolation. And downward and lateral movement of water into the soil is called seepage. Next question. Question number 12. Rhizobium freddi is used in. Answer is option A, moong. Rhizobium freddi is used in moong. Berseem is inoculated with Rhizobium trifoli. Soybean, cowpea, groundnut and sun hemp is inoculated with Rhizobium japonicum. Groundnut and cowpea is inoculated with Bradyrhizobium species. Question number 13. Tilt angle of disc plough is. Answer is option A, 15 to 25 degree. Tilt angle of disc plough is 15 to 25 degree. The disc angle of disc plough is 40 to 45 degree. Question number 14. First hybrid of sorghum is. Answer is option B, CSH1. The first hybrid of sorghum is CSH1. The first hybrid of pigeon pea is ICPH1. First hybrid of bajra is HB1 and first hybrid of pea is Arpana. Question number 15. Central Institute for Subtropical Horticulture is located in. Answer is option D, Lucknow. The Central Institute of Subtropical Horticulture is located in Lucknow. Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture is located in Srinagar and Central Institute of Arid Horticulture is located in Bikaner, Rajasthan. Thank you friends for watching our video. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for such more videos. Thank you.